Welcome back. Today we're going to be cleaning the inside of these Jeeps here because a few days ago we cleaned the outside, so let's go ahead and get it done. There we go. We got it all nice and cleaned up on the inside, so let's go take a look at them real quick. It's probably like the cleanest it's been in like months, you know? Okay, so we got it nice and clean in here, so there's none of that shaving and dirt and grime and everything, so it looks pretty dang clean. Eventually I want to get seat covers for it, but that's later, you know? And then in the back here, I got it nice and clean, all cleaned out. But then also on this one, we have it all nice and clean too. Got it all vacuumed out. There's still a certain smell that I don't like in here, so we might have to get like a smell thingamabob just to make it nice and smelly in here, the way we want it. But otherwise, it's pretty clean. Still gonna be interesting about like maybe an interior on that thing, just kind of make a new look to it. So that is what we've done today. We've got it nice and clean. It's the cleanest it's been for a while. And so yeah, it was just kind of cool, nice chill day. So thanks for joining me on this one. If you want to see some more videos on the Comanche or the Cherokee, just click right there. There should be two little buttons right there. And so yeah, thanks for joining me on this one, and I'll see you later. Woo!